Just had some old lady on the beach come up to me going, "What are you doing with all this drone footage and camera footage?" G'day everyone, just down here at Christie's Beach, South Australia. It's actually the closest beach to my house. I haven't been down here yet, as in like done a vlog down here. Thought I'd get down here this morning. It's a perfect day. As you can see, it's just really calm. Boats are out fishing. Everybody out with their dogs. It's actually not a bad beach. Christie's Beach. It's a pretty nice place. The beach is really nice too. Looks really safe. I mean, it's really calm out in the water, so it's pretty safe to swim. I've seen some surfers and stuff out here previous times I've been down. Good place for fishing over there off the rocks as well if you'd like. Alright, day's done. Just gonna head off now. Good little beach down here at Christie's Beach. Yeah, boats are out, sun is shining, calm day, lovely. Alright, catch you later. Just had some old lady on the beach come up to me going, "What are you doing with all this drone footage and camera footage? I hope it's for private use only, you're not uploading it anywhere." So she was a bit of a downer to the day.